Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. K-Born Reacts is back, and today I got some more Stray Kids. It's the song Thunderous, which I have heard. I think I heard it was just the chorus, do 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 do, that part of the song. I've heard that. Was it from A2K that I heard it, or I may have heard it before that. I feel like I have heard it before that, but either way, I heard that part of the song, and I was like, oh, okay, cool, I like it. One of the things I like about them, they are basically like a self-made kind of group. You know, they write, produce, you know, direct, they do all that kind of stuff. So that gives them, and always, I don't care who they are, whether I enjoy the music or not, they will always get a nod from me like, hey, because you do your own thing. So they will always get that kudos from me. So I'm excited to hear the video. Hear the video, see the video, hear the song, since I have heard like that chorus part, and it was kind of cool. So with all that said, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, join the squad, and move on up with me, baby. With that done, let me go ahead and get into this video.
지르는 내가 창빈이란 더내 자리는 내가 참 더 태도는 섭소하게 되기를 폭주하는 기관총 몰아친 허리케인이 뒤집어진 우산 잔소리꾼의 최후 우리 좋구나 나무꾼은 어서 돌아가시오 여긴 나무랄 데가 없네 납작해질 리 없는 콧대와 핏대와 함께 세운 집들 훨씬 더 웅장하게 되는 경적 소리 악당무리의 뜨거운 비가 돌아온 몸에 번져
I'm not sorry, I'm dirty. Sorry, I'm dirty.
이거저거 귀찮아서 도리도리 말이 너무 많아 자꾸 나서지 좀 마라 Why you mad, why you sad, why you tick 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 I don't ban you 얼레리 걸레리 멋있는 척들이 양진 발끝 조찬도 따라오지 못한 여기는 팬들 들어봐 질투가 전부 한쪽으로 지워놓고 버려 기적함 악당무리의 뜨거운 비가 돌아온 몸에 번져
Hey, this shit cold. I don't know why it sounds like Despacito. I like that.
날이면 날마다 오는 날이 아닌 오늘 소리꾼들이 왔어요 원래 삐딱해 소리는 일단 백 맘에 안 들면 들 때까지 말 대답해 Final warning 당장 back up press up set up break up how about a man bitch 퇴 소리꾼 I'm sorry I'm dirty
I'm sorry, dirty. Yep. That would be all I have to say if I wasn't doing this reaction video. But since I am, that was cold. See, I like that one, you know. That was a banger. That's gonna go on the playlist, baby. That's gonna go on the playlist. I love that song. Like I said, I heard that chorus before, so I had already known about the do 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 do. I knew about all that. And I'm sorry. I mean, I'm not sorry. I'm dirty. I enjoyed all of that. I enjoyed the rap sections. I just enjoyed that song altogether. I will say, it was a hell of a lot better than the debut song. A hell of a lot better. So, I mean, I always like to listen to that debut song because it gives me a bar of where they started. And that'll give me the chance to be like, have they gotten better? Have they stayed the same? Have they gotten worse? You know what I mean? Bar, way better. As far as I've seen. Just from them two songs. They way better. I enjoyed that one a lot. I'm gonna play it again after I finish recording these videos. The choreo was definitely cold. I'm 100% gonna watch some dance practice or a performance video or whatever they have for that one. Definitely gonna be checking that out. Yeah. Like I said before, I see why people like Stray Kids. I understand the sound that people like these days. And so when you hear that, you're like, yeah, they're gonna like this. And boy groups tend to get more popular than the girl groups anyway. And so when they make them kind of songs, it's like, you already know where it's gonna go. So kudos to Stray Kids. I'm rocking with you. And with all that being said, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I will see you all next time. Peace.